In this short video, we'll talk about the Simbound planner function, which allows you to learn more about the business and the simulation scenario. It will also allow you to select what products to promote and on which markets, and also estimate your sales. From your mobile, you will find the planner section in the bottom scrollable menu, while on your desktop it is located in the left side menu. Once you're on the planner section, you will have a video of the case and also a document outlining the business case. This will contain important information about the business, the products that it's selling, and also the markets on which it operates. Feel free to extract any essential information such as the conversion values for the products you will be selling. Besides these two resources, you will have a budget outline for all the rounds that you have available in the simulation, as well as a series of suggested steps you can take up in the first few rounds. If your course has deadlines, be sure to keep an eye on them and complete your work before the time runs out. Creating your first digital marketing plan is easy. You have to click on the New Plan button and then select a product for which you will be shown the search trends which speak of the interest volume for that particular product. Next, you will have to input an estimated sales amount for the first 3 rounds, which you can later change or edit. Feel free to add any comments regarding your forecast and plans. You can add as many plans as you want. If you're part of a team, you can see all the plans created by your teammates as well as the comments that they made. This way you can compare your initiatives and settle on the right course of action. You can also preview your plans or delete them at any time. In this short tutorial, you learned where to find the business case information presented by the simulation, how to read the conditions and the budget, a few suggested steps for the first few rounds in the simulation, how to set up a new plan, and how to manage your existing plans. Do remember that Simbound is a complex and non-linear learning experience. Here are some tips that could help you improve your learning progress while you're playing Simbound. Do a bit of reading and research, set time aside for this activity, make sure you are getting quality instruction, ask questions, collaborate with your teammates, and experiment using the simulation. Enjoy!